subcooling for thermostatic expansion valve systems, and superheat for fixed orifice setups are key to keeping your air conditioning running smooth and safe. Okay, so when you're checking out a fixed orifice system and notice the total superheat is super low, like 1 to 3 degrees Fahrenheit, that's a big clue. It usually means the system is running with barely any vapor at the compressor inlet, which is kinda risky because it might be close to liquid slugging. You want some superheat to make sure only vapor hits the compressor, protecting it from damage. On the flip side, if superheat is too high, it means the system isn't cooling efficiently and can waste energy. For thermostatic expansion valves, subcooling tells you how much liquid refrigerant is being sent in. Too little subcooling means not enough refrigerant, and too much means flooding the evaporator. Always aim for that sweet spot in superheat and subcooling numbers to keep your AC efficient and safe. Use a good digital gauge set for accurate readings and double-check your temp sensors because bad data messes everything up. Remember, adjusting the TXV or fixing the orifice size can help dial in those numbers just right. One of the biggest mistakes folks make with superheat and subcooling is ignoring the manufacturer's recommended settings, which messes with efficiency and safety big time. Another common issue is relying on gut feeling instead of using proper tools like digital gauges and temperature probes, so you end up with wrong readings. Also, mixing up superheat with subcooling can lead to incorrect troubleshooting. They're related but measure different parts of the refrigeration cycle. To fix these, always check the specs for your exact system, invest in solid measurement tools, and learn the difference between these terms so you know what to adjust, whether it's the TXV or orifice size. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without the headache of endless searching. Plus, it helps contractors connect with real clients looking for their specific skills, making it easier for everyone to get the job done right.